Hi, this is Ripunuchan Chapel from WP Theme Hut, and in today's episode we will learn how we can dynamic our WordPress menu. So in our HTML, you can see this one here, the menu is, so we are having a drop down menu here, a regular menu options and a mega menu. We will have more part in our next episode, how we can make this dynamic mega menu here with using some plugins, and also this one, and here only a contact menu. So for doing that we will need to enable options in our theme. So here you can see under the appearance only theme, then customize, then the theme file editor. Otherwise there is nothing here, like you will not find any kind of options here because we haven't enabled our menu options in our theme. So for enabling that we need to register our menu. So for register menu we need to write some code here. As you can see here, if you don't follow our previous episode, you don't know about this after setup theme, I will request you to check the previous video. But for a initial statement I am giving you some example, some hint here. We have add action here after after setup theme, and the callback function is take this theme setup, and we have declared this file in our functions.php. That's all. So in here we will write some code, register nav menu here, a comment register nav menu. So in here we will write a function that is already made by WordPress, so that will be register. So for a single menu we can use this register nav menu on only this one. So for a single nav menu, so here you can see here is only one menu, and there is another menu in our mobile version also. So if I go to the mobile version here, like in mobile, then you can see here another menu here, this one. So it is mobile menu, so it is having two locations. One is our this top menu, and one is this mobile menu, or we can define this one as our primary menu. So for single menu support you can write register nav menu, and for like too many, you are having many menus here, like this is one and another one is the mobile one, or you are having a menu in the footer area, as you can see links and the explorer, you can make it dynamic through that menu also. So for double or triple menus you need to write register nav menus, as you can see here. Then inside that we will, cause we will register more than one menu, so we will use register nav menus here. So inside this we will give array. So as you can see here, by searching register nav menus a little bit more, and we will give array. You can see we will give a search here now to check what's inside this. So you will have a better understanding of this. As you can see here register nav menus, then the array, then the location. It's an actually it's an ID, the location, then the name, what it will appear, the name will be, and then again the footer menu and the what will be the name. So we need to set an ID here, like we'll set it as a primary menu, primary underscore menu, and what will be the name to show in our menu area. So it will be like, obviously we need to give it as this one, HTML, then double underscore, then we will set it as a primary menu, primary menu. Okay, and then here it will be a text domain that we are using, so it will be TechBiz. So primary menu, then the name that will be shown here is also primary menu, and it is the text domain. So I hope you guys know how to use the text domain. So now if I go to my dashboard and give a reload here, you can see a new options has come, that is menu. So we'll click on menus here, and you can see we haven't create any kind of menu, so it is showing that you need to create some menu to assign it on the location. So we'll click on create menu first, and then you can see here display location, the primary menu. So this one is the text. If I change it to something else like top menu, and if I give a refresh, you can see this one has changed into top menu. But for further for going more, we will keep it like primary menu. And the location name is this one, this ID. Okay, so we have registered successfully. Our menu has been registered successfully, and we need to show it here in this place. It is coming from the HTML markup, but we need to replace this with our dynamic code. So for doing that, we need to go here in the hooks function. As you can see, I have already separated my header and footer here. So, with the hooks function, as you can see. If you don't know about that, then please check the previous one also. So this is having the menu markup here, as you can see, nav, then UL, then the other things. So we will need to remove all these things. All, we will not keep any kind of things here. So we will remove this from UL to end of the UL here. So we will remove this, and we will check if we are having a menu, then this will come. So we will check like this. PHP code will start, and the condition will be if. For checking the nav menu, this is called nav menu. Okay, so we'll in the condition here. So PHP, then the condition in here. So if has nav menu, then in here with the quotation, it will be here this name. The name we set up here, this primary menu. Okay, so we'll copy it and paste it here. So if has name menu, this primary menu, then our code will be execution, otherwise it will be not executed. Okay, then here it will be wp underscore, as you can see, wp nav menu. Okay, before that we need to start obviously PHP, otherwise it will not work at all. PHP, then we need to end it. So wp nav menu, and inside it here will be an array again for accessing that data. So and here the theme location, the thing will be like this, theme location will be this primary menu. Okay, so what we have done, we have checked first that are we having the primary menu. If not, then this code will be not executed. And if we are having the primary menu, then this menu will appear here. Okay, so now we have successfully write the code for this. We have registered the menu, we have called the menus here, and we'll give a refresh here. And you can see here it is not coming, because the reason is, if you check here, the display location primary menu is not checked yet. So we need to check it and click on save changes, save menu. So after that we need to give a refresh here, and you can see home and sample menu, this two menu is showing here perfectly. Now it's time to check the why the style is not getting like that. So we'll check that also. Yeah, so for checking that, you are saying that here the style is getting like this, it is having some more gaps, all the things now, but the hover style is almost okay, but gap is not getting here. So for that we need to inspect this, and we need to check what is the problem here. Okay, So main menu style 1, then the UL. You can see here a container menu 1 container is appearing here. So for removing this container, we are having an option. So uh, for that, we need to go here and write here container as blank. Okay, so we don't need this container here. As you can see here, after our nav menu, one container is appearing here, then the ul id, and then the class is menu coming here. So we will give a refresh here and we'll check, and you can see that container class is not here. And you can also edit this ul id and the class menu. So for doing that, you need to search on here wp nav menu. You can search it here and check that what kind of options we can, what is the thing there that we can edit. So we'll go a little bit more bottom. Yeah, so this is the options. So you can have the menu, you can have the container, you can have the container class, you can have the container id. So the container that we have removed now by keep it as blank, we have removed that. So you can have a fallback CB, you can have before after link, the link things, then the theme location as we have set here. You can give the items wrap UL. You can see here. You can have the items spacing. You can have the depth meanings. Okay, depth means suppose I am giving it here. Okay, and give a save changes, save menu here, and if I give a refresh, then you can see here the menu is coming here like this. So this is the depth. So it is having one depth. Okay, and if I give some more here, so it is having two depth here. So that one is depth. So this is two depth here. So that's what that one is depth here. Depth is setting 0. So this way you can perfectly make your menus dynamic. Now it's time to make dynamic our mobile menu area too. So if we go on mobile menu area, you can see here the logo. So the logo options need to be made it from the TechBiz options, from our theme options, and the menu area that is coming from the HTML. So for doing that, we'll go here in the theme setup, and here you can see we have registered the primary menu, and we'll duplicate this line again, and instead of this primary menu we will register like mobile menu, and here the name that will be shown, that will be mobile menu. Now it's time to write this code again here that we have done here again. We need to do this again in this place for the mobile menu. So for mobile menu, you can see here the menu. So we need to remove all this UL code. We will remove this, and we will have a condition here with this one. As you can see, we have made for this one. So we'll copy it, and we'll in the condition here. Now in here we will write PHP again, PHP, then WP nav menu. Yeah, instead of this primary menu, we need to obviously assign this to mobile menu. And inside in WP nav menu, we will assign a array, and in here the theme location, that will be our mobile menu. And obviously we will remove the container that we don't need. So container, we will remove the container. Now again we need to obviously give a refresh here, and you can see here a new locations mobile menu. So we'll create a new page, sorry, create a new menu, and the mobile menu name will be mobile menu, and we'll assign this to mobile menu. It will not show any data, so we haven't set any kind of menu here yet, so we need to assign some menu here. As you can see, we have only give one page, that is sample menu. So we'll click on save menu, and if I give here a refresh and click on here, you can see the sample menu is coming successfully. So this way you can dynamic your primary menu, as you can see here, and you might not get this kind of style because HTML, the markup I have been using here, that is perfect. So that's why it is working here perfectly. So for working this perfectly in your theme, you need to write some CSS for doing like this. So that's how you can make your primary menu dynamic and your mobile menu dynamic for your WordPress theme. So in our next episode, we will see how we can make this breadcrumb area for our theme. So today, bye bye.